WHO 13's Taj Simmons joins us now. Taj, Senator Charles Grassley is also pitching a way to fight back against high prices.
Yeah, that's right, Aaron. He is co-sponsoring the bill in Congress called the Cattle Price Discovery and Transparency Act. The reason behind that, he believes large meat processors worked together during the pandemic to drive up those prices. Grassley says Iowans can avoid the short end of the rib right now by purchasing meat directly from local farmers.
Don't buy from JBS and Tyson's. Go to your local markets and your local kills. Like I could go to the Cedar Falls locker to buy my meat instead of getting Tyson's foods out of some other supermarket.
And there's a lot to chew from. The Iowa Beef Industry Council reports there are about 20,000 farms in the state with beef cows. And that includes the farm we're seeing right now, Brewer Family Farms in Dallas Center. The fifth generation farm has a meat locker on its property and also takes its meat on the road to farmers markets. The farm believes it is both cost effective and a way to show customers just how well done their operation is.
We can market directly to the consumer, and you can come out here and see how they're raised, and my dad, my brother out here every single day taking care of them, and every farmer across Iowa is doing the same thing. We've had this meat our entire lives. They get to enjoy the same home-raised beef that we've enjoyed for years.
And we tried to prove Grassley's point about lower prices. We did compare the prices of Brewer's ground beef to other larger stores online. Here's what we found. The family farm lists theirs online for $5 a pound, which is at the lowest end of prices we saw while shopping around. Now, going back to that bill that Grassley is co-sponsoring, if it is passed, it will require meat packers to disclose exactly what contracts they have with meat producers. It's still in the Senate committee meeting at last check, which means it still has a long way to go before it can become law.
All right, we'll continue to follow it. Thanks, Taj.